Remember, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Welcome to our Bonfire Night special, where we'll be opening the doors and letting you see just exactly who Guy Fawkes was and what this 400-year-old tradition is really about. In 1605, a man called Guy Fawkes and a group of plotters attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London with barrels of gunpowder placed in the basement. They wanted to kill King James and the King's leaders due to a new law that was against the Roman Catholic Church. Guy Fawkes was given the job of watchman over the barrels of gunpowder and to light the fuse when ready. On the morning of the 5th of November, soldiers discovered Guy hidden in the cellar and arrested him. The trail of gunpowder at his feet would never be lit. Guy Fawkes was hung, drawn and quartered in the Tower of London shortly after his trial. To celebrate King James's survival, he ordered the people of England that they should have a great bonfire on the night of November the 5th each year. This is something we still celebrate today. Here's the thoughts of just a few of our students and what they make of this 400-year-old British tradition.
Is Guy Fawkes or something?
I do, but I can't remember off by heart. I kind of do, but not massively.
I remember almost getting hit by a firework when we were setting them off, and it was very scary.
Fireworks, having a laugh with some friends, having a bit to drink, yeah.
Mainly toffee apples. Toffee apples, maybe.
Hot dogs and mushy peas. Yeah, with mint sauce.
Not as much as when I was younger, but I do still quite look forward to my fireworks mainly. It was quiet, I suppose, so all right in one respect, but a bit of a loss really, but yeah.
I'd be upset. I would be upset because it's like all the memories and stuff. And it's been around for hundreds of years, so.
We still celebrate Bonfire Night to this day, making our own guys and burning them on our own little bonfires on the back garden, with sparklers and Catherine wheels, wearing scarves and earmuffs. The shooting twinkling rockets that whiz up to the sky and explode in a dazzle of colours. The smell of hot dogs and onions and smouldering sparklers fill the air. Whether you're holding your own or going to an organised bonfire event, make sure you wrap up warm, have fun with family and friends, and remember to stay safe. Enjoy.